Hello, it's me, BlueAirways. My real name is Andreas, and it's been some time since I hit 3,000 subscribers, and I promised that I would do an aviation shelf tour. Sorry, not that shelf, that shelf. And I've just not done it yet, so let's get going. So let's start with the top. Up here at the top I have a lot of model airplanes, including Emirates A380. This was my first model airplane, and probably also the one that's in best condition. Then the next model airplane I got is not in that good condition, because the engine just won't sit on it. But yeah, you can take a look at them. If I go closer you might be able to. Most of them has lost some parts, and the newest one is this one. Its nose landing gear did not survive because I got this in the US, and on the way home it broke the nose landing gear. The newest one I've gotten that has not broken is this FedEx airplane. But I also have a single FedEx model airplane down here, together with some other FedEx stuff, some flight tickets, Lufthansa pen. I've already showed this off on the channel, if I can find the video, which I'm pretty sure is short. I will link it. My Lufthansa coffee cup, if I can just... It's very faint, and I'm pretty sure that's because it's behind this, but yeah. There's a Lufthansa logo there. I got those two for free when I went to the US in, I don't remember when, it's some years ago now. Many, I think. There's a lot of blankets from United Airlines flights. Not any that I've been on, but yeah. Whenever my foster mom's daughter is flying, she always remembers to get me some stuff. And we'll talk about that later. Then down here we have a lot of stuff from airplanes. There's United shoes, a lot of them. There's also a United, I guess, kind of Lego airplane set by that company. There's also a lot of headphones, and yeah, there's also some amenity kits for business class, and also some normal amenity kits. The weirdest thing here is probably this. This is salt and pepper from Egypt Air. If it wants to focus. Come on, focus. Salt and pepper from Egypt Air, which I keep down here. There's also boxes for some of these model airplanes. And let's see if you can get a closer look at some of this stuff that's over here. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff. And then down here at the bottom, this bag, which was gotten on a museum in New York where I bought this F-14. There's also this. And a Boeing cap. You can't see, but it says Boeing. Now, we'll come back to this. You can probably, if it wants to focus. This is from ValueJet, an airline which stopped existing in, I think, 1997. That is... yeah. Always have it here, because it has a magnet. And there's more. If I go down here, under these model airplanes, this is all ValueJet stuff. All of this small right here, two big stickers, and another thing from ValueJet, and then there should also be thing where you can see where they flew, like an actual thing with flights you could take with them. And then, of course, there's the safety guards. Mandatory safety guards. So that's basically what you would be able to find on my aviation shelf. If I missed anything and you have any questions about any of these things, of how I got them, all that kind of stuff, do feel free to ask. I'd be very happy to answer any of the questions that you have about all this stuff.
And that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.